Alright everybody, welcome to lesson 9 in Microsoft Word, and today we're going to start with printing your documents. So printing your document is very easy. So you either press Ctrl P to print, press Ctrl P to print. You go to Backstage, don't forget Backstage File, then you click on Print. Alright, so now let's talk about how it's done. Now this particular print will be the last stage you will click on after you have connected your printer cord, after you have set up everything. This one will be the last button you will press when you are satisfied with your settings here. Now let's check this one by one. Now this is copies. How many? This copy means how many copies do you need per one page. This is number 1 page. Now how many copies of this do you need? If you say 1, this one will only come out. So that is what they mean by copies. Now printer, this is where you, after you have connected your printer cord, you'll be able to see your printer here and you select it. Now this one says print all pages. So you can select either to print current page. Now what do they mean by current page is that anywhere your cursor, your insertion point is, if my insertion point is in this number 1 first page, that will be my current. If it is in page 2, my insertion point is in page, that will be my current page. I hope you understand that. So what they mean, print the whole pages, the whole thing, or print current pages. That is what they mean. And this here is a paper size. You select your paper size and you can leave the rest the way they are. You understand? It's because you only need to print your current page or print whole document, and you choose your paper size A4 or any paper that you want. So after that you click on print and you will be able to do what? You will be able to print your document. So you click on print and your document will be printed. Alright, so now let's talk about breaks. Now many times when you're working on a document, break is very essential that you use it. What do you use break to do? I will explain to you now. Now let's assume that this is, let me from this definition, let me take it down to another page. You know, as I'm pressing enter like this, it's going down a bit. So this one means that I didn't even add any page. So which means that if I needed a space here, or I'm writing something from here, if I'm writing something like this, suppose this definition is in another page, second page, and I'm writing something on the first page, it will, if once it reach the end point, it will move to the second page, in which you don't want that. Can you see? So there are times that you will be typing and it will move to the second page. It will disorganize your documents. So to avoid that, you only use page break. Now what will the page break do for you? The page break will, once this one reach the end point, it will not join with the second page like this. It will create another separate new document, new page. It will create another page, new page, for this one to continue writing it on, not that it will join together. So let's try it out. I hope you understand that. So let's try it out. So let's say this is definition. Place your insertion point at the beginning or where you need a break, or you place at the last one like this. Then you do what? You say insert, then you say page break. So let's click on page break. You can see it has moved it to page 2. Now if I'm writing anything like this,